Hey everyone! Welcome to this video on how to use a text summarizer. In today's episode, we will talk about a powerful tool that will help you save lots of time when summarizing articles for your next essay. First off, what is a text summarizer? In short, it is a powerful tool designed to condense long and complex articles into more concise, more manageable summaries. The IvyPanda text summarizer was created using the most advanced algorithms and language models. It extracts the most important information from the original text, preserving its essence and meaning. Let's dive deeper into the summarizer's benefits. One of the most significant advantages is undoubtedly the time-saving aspect. Forget about reading through lengthy articles, you can get a concise summary capturing the key points in seconds. Plus, with a text summarizer, you can digest the information more efficiently for academic and professional purposes. A question arises, how can I use a summarizer in my studies? Imagine working on a research paper and needing relevant information from a long article. The summarizer is handy here, helping you quickly shorten the content and extract the key insights. Also, many academic writers depend on written summaries to provide a synopsis of their work. Another application of a summarizer can be writing an essay conclusion restating all the points mentioned in the paper's body. Basically, this tool lets you focus on understanding the main concepts and preparing well-structured essays or reports. So, how does this tool work in practice? Let's say you're working on a research paper and have found a great article relevant to your topic. However, as you see, the article is a bit long, and you don't have the time or energy to read through the entire thing. That's where the text summarizing tool comes in. IvyPanda Summarizer boasts a user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate and access. You'll find it easy to use even if you're not tech-savvy. Now, let's walk through the summarizing process. First, you need to copy the article or any lengthy text to be summarized. Next, go to our tool and paste the article. Then you need to choose the desired length of the summary. The shortest result is 3 sentences, the longest can be 30. You can also opt to include keywords if necessary. Well, we're almost done. All you are left to do is press the button and get the result. In conclusion, a text summarizing tool can be a handy asset for anyone who wants to save time and effort when it comes to summarizing for academic writing. Just don't forget to cite your sources. Thanks for watching. Make sure to visit our website for more handy writing tools, and don't forget to subscribe for more writing and study tips.